World between the world wars. The many great experiments happened in the 20th century. At the beginning of the 20th century, the world was divided into two. One is the developed industrialized countries like Britain, USA, Germany, France, Italy, and other group is the countries of Asia and Africa which were colonized. And emerging of new ideologies and more than 100 countries became independent. By these experiences, a historian called Eric Hobsbawm called the 20th century as the age of extremes. The industrialized countries had split into two groups and they wanted to dominate over the world and controlling as many colonies and markets. These situations are led to the occurrence of world wars. In the First World War, the first time they introduced aircrafts to drop the bombs in warfare. The causes of world wars. The causes of world wars are aggressive nationalism, imperialism, secret alliances, militarism, and Balkan Peninsula. Here, to remember these causes, here one trick is there to these called main. MAIN, main. That is militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism. The fifth one is Balkan Peninsula. In the later we discuss the militarism. Many countries believe that military power is the best way to ensure security and to solve the problems. The military expenditure of the six powerful countries are like Germany, France, Austria, Italy, Russia, Britain increased. Important things in the context of militarism. Firstly, all these countries had built massive standing armies for their defense. Secondly, they competed with each other in increasing their military weapons. Thirdly, a large industry of weapons emerged which constantly promoted the idea of using wars as a solution to diplomatic problems. The secret alliances. There are two secret alliances are there which are led by Germany and France. The first one, triple alliances. The Germany made alliance with Austria-Hungary and Italy, Germany, and triple entente was made by Britain, France, and Russia. These alliances are instead of maintaining real peace, these alliances created an atmosphere of fear and armed peace in the European continent. The next cause is imperialism. With the effect of Industrial Revolution, there was a race for the colonies between the European powers for the raw materials. This created a lot of tension, often leading to the wars. Especially the newly emerged industrial powers like Germany and Italy wanted to redivide the colonies, but the old industrial powers were not ready for this. This created a lot of tension, often leading to wars in the European continent. The other cause is aggressive nationalism. The people's strong feeling of nationalism called aggressive nationalism. This ideology created pride in few nations and hatred against the neighboring countries. Example, Nazism and Fascism. These ideologies were in destructive mode from 1923 and also they promoted that aggressive nationalism and image of victorious Germany ruling over the world. The last one, Balkan politics. The Balkan Peninsula was ruled by the Ottoman Empire. After the downfall of Ottoman Empire, the great military powers like Austria-Hungary, Germany, Russia, they competed for the supremacy over this area. At the same time, Austria was trying to suppress the Serbian rebels in Bosnia. So one of the rebels assassinated the Crown Prince Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austro-Hungary on June 28, 1914. After this incident, Austria asked explanation of Serbia. The Serbia did not give satisfied reply. So Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. To support the Serbia, Britain, France, Russia came. To counter this, Germany group also jumped into war in support of Austria. This was called First World War. The countries which were participated on behalf of Austria were known as Central Powers. Earlier, these countries called Triple Alliance, and other groups like France, Britain, Russia, which were supporting of Serbian groups called Allied Powers. Due to the internal revolution, Russia withdrew from war by making treaty with Germany in 1917, and German troops sunk US commercial ship in Lusitania in 1917. With this, the US also jumped into the war on behalf of Allied countries. Finally, the Central Powers were defeated by Allied powers. After the First World War, the treaty was signed. The treaty name is the Treaty of Versailles in 1919. The 32 members were signed in this treaty. The Allied powers were imposed conditions on the defeated powers. All the empires which are defeated, they broken up into small nation states. Mainly, the Treaty of Versailles imposed heavy penalty on Germany. According to this, Germany had to pay war compensation to the victorious countries, and also it lost many territories to France and other countries. The League of Nations 1920. The American President Woodrow Wilson proposed for the formation of the League. The League had only 58 members when it was formed, and they hoped that the League would help remove wars through collective security and settle disputes. And an international court of justice was established by the League of Nations to settle the legal dispute between the nations. The League of Nations established in 11th January 1920, and USA did not become a member as US Congress is refused to sanction permission for the President Woodrow Wilson's. The Russian Revolution. Russia was ruled by Tsars in early 20th century. Russia was the third largest populated in the world after India and China. Russian Empire comprised of several nations like Russia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. During the King Tsar Nicholas II, Russian economy had suffered a lot by the First World War, and it became the biggest losser of human life in the World War I, and all the food was supplied to the soldiers who are in the warfare. This led the shortage of food in the cities. On March 8, 1917, around 10,000 women of the capital, St. Petersburg, protested and demanded peace and bread. The workers and peasants also joined in the protest. The king ordered to the army to suppress the movement, even by the firing at them. But the soldiers also joined in the protest. So king left the throne and escaped from the country. And this was the first revolution, also known as March Revolution. In the same year, in October, a bigger revolution took place. The supporters of Tsar, liberals and aristocrats decided to continue the war to save the honor of Russia. This led the common people began organizing themselves in the councils which were called Soviets. In these Soviet soldiers, industrial workers and people in rural areas were united by a group Russian Communist Party called Bolsheviks. Among the members of Bolsheviks, the Vladimir Lenin became a leader, and they demanded that all the land should be nationalized and redistributed to the peasants, and also nationalization of all factories and banks. In October 1917, Bolsheviks seized power from the provisional government and immediately took steps to end the war. A civil war started led by white armies of aristocrats with the help from Britain, France, USA and Japan. By 1920, the white armies were defeated and announced the end of the Russian Empire. In the 1922, USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, was set up under the leadership of Lenin. The USSR tried to build a society that was industrialized and modern Russia. Rise of Stalin. After the death of Lenin in 1924, Stalin emerged as the leader of Communist Party. He established his absolute control and put an end to all opposition parties. He introduced 5-year plans in the 1928 and also followed called twin policy, industrialization and collectivization of agriculture. The experience of the USSR inspired all over the world. The many Indian leaders like M.N. Roy, Tagore and Nehru were also inspired, but did not agree communism like suppression of opposition parties. George Orwell, he wrote in his novel Animal Farm and highlighted how the ideals of Russian Revolution were suffering in the USSR.